Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to send automated thank you emails in WooCommerce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So the first thing, make sure that you are already in your WordPress panel, and after that, all we need to do is to start setting up our WooCommerce to start sending emails automatically. And basically, all we need to do is just to go to our email settings and we can start setting up email automation. And basically to do so, we will be needing to have some extensions or some plugins. So you can simply go to your extensions or plugin and we will be needing to search for automation tools. So here we can just go, for example, for a thank you emails automation, or we can simply type automation so we can get automation extensions. So those are some custom thank you success pages, etc. So what we want is automation. So you can have also as a plugin, you can have funnel kit. So from here, I'm just going to click add plugin and I'm just going to search for funnel kit. And basically, this is a plugin for automation. And with this tool, we will be able to start sending automated emails to our customers. So from here, as we can see, there is the automate Woo, and it is a marketing automation for WooCommerce, and you can start automating your messages and your emails. And basically, you can choose anyone that you would like. And as you can see, this is an email customizer, etc. So from here, I'm just going to guide you through the WooCommerce funnel kit automations, and this is that's what we want is the email automation. So basically, and in this video, we will be needing this plugin. So all you need to do is just to go to the reviews, and as you can see, this is a widely used tool. So I'm just going to click on install now, and basically after that, we will be activating our plugin, and here we need just to activate, and we will have our WooCommerce that will be refreshed, and from here in the menu, we will start finding our funnel kit tool. So we can just click on get started and already it is activated. So I'm just going and refresh my page, and basically we will need to find our funnel kit here. So from here you can start creating your automation and you will be needing to set up your email. So from here you will need just to start the wizard, and basically easily you will start creating your emails. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.